We're gonna go see some algae. Algae's exciting. I'm gonna make it exciting because I am Captain John and it is my nature to be exciting.
Well, aloha everybody, and welcome to Think Ocean. I'm Captain John, and this is going to be a very special and exciting episode. Before we get started, I want to remind everybody to please subscribe to this channel, like the videos if you like them, and if you like them, share them with others. It really helps. Right now, I'm in the Gulf of Aden, off the coast of Somalia, heading for Djibouti, right into Djibouti, you know what I mean? No, we go back and forth from Oman to Djibouti. That's our run. This area is fraught with pirates and terrorists. It's a very dangerous job, and I hope you're sitting back at home, relaxing, having a wonderful day, enjoying this Think Ocean video. Aloha.
Welcome to Think Ocean. In this episode, I'm going to take you diving, free diving, through some shallow water lava tubes and caves. As a matter of fact, I'm standing on one right now. I'm going to enter through here and I'm going to swim underwater through this and pop out the other side. We're going to get the drone out and we're going to fly it right over the top as I'm free diving through this double set of caves. The funnest ones of all. But now I'm going to show you Lily Kawa. It's a blowhole. But today it's real calm. Let's go. Now, as promised, I'm going to take you to the best caves down here at this dive site. We call it the cathedrals. It's two set of arches with a big skylight coming right down in the middle. I'm going to walk right out on the reef there and jump in, little swim out, and it's going to be a blast. Let's go. the coral that grows on the reef, all owes its existence to this type of algae here. Not this. This is soft. This is actually algae, this pinkish color stuff here. It's called coralline algae. It likes to grow in the rough surf, and it gives the rocks a hold so the reefs can form, and then coral can grow on the reefs. So the first thing to show up on a barren rock coastline is this type of coralline algae. It secretes, just like coral does, calcium carbonate. This is hard. And this is soft. Turtles eat it. And sometimes when I'm hungry, I eat it. That was a lot of fun diving through those shallow water sea caves, and I hope to see you on the next episode of Think Ocean.